In this video, I will show you how to restore purchases in Toca Life World. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Toca World app on your device. So here we are on the app. Now what you're going to want to do is log into your account, and once you've logged in, you want to press onto the green shopping cart icon just down here. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll all the way down to the bottom, and when you get to the bottom of this page, you should see an option to restore purchases. Now I don't currently have this button because I don't have any purchase history on Toca Life World. But for yourself, you're going to see the restore purchases button. So what you want to do is press onto restore purchases, and what that's going to do is actually restore your purchases for Toca Life World and enable you to access previous purchases. So that's how to restore purchases on Toca Life World. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.